Osaka is known for their food, so for today's video, we're gonna be trying out food here in Dotonbori.
We're excited to try them all, you guys. Let's go eat. Hey guys, my name's Cheno.
And I'm Alex.
And welcome to
Cheno and Alex. So much people.
Oh my gosh. Look at our backdrop. Oh, that's so cool. This is so awesome, you guys. It's being here at Dotonbori. It's a surreal feeling, right?
It reminds me of like Tokyo, how busy it is here in Osaka. Especially obviously this specific place.
Yeah, this is crazy. It's like shoulder to shoulder traffic with people. And oh my gosh.
So much people there. Oh my
goodness.
So we're just walking the lane of Dotonbori, and I'm actually on the hunt for takoyaki. They are known for takoyaki here. So apparently they're going to be everywhere, but I'm still trying to find them.
Let's go, let's find them.
I'm starving. So we made it here at Dotonbori Kukuru Honaman Museum.
Nice.
But I saw some takoyaki, so
time to order.
Try.
Let's go.
I really love street food because you have the front seat view of the chef cooking the food.
Yeah,
so right here you can see her just cooking it up so well. And it really takes practice and professionalism to do this. So takoyakis are essentially a potato flour mixture with octopus inside, and they form it into a ball. So it's, easier for us to eat, right? So we're gonna try one. So I'll just try the original for now. Look at the sauce. Oh my gosh, how yummy.
Eat that. Still hot?
It's okay.
Oh yes, that means I get to eat.
And this is authentic because it's actually originally from Dotonburi, Osaka.
Oh yes.
And we're eating it right now here. It's so good.
I'm gonna try the mayonnaise.
Mentaku.
Mentaku sauce. It's very, very soft inside. A bit gooey. It's hot right now. But damn, that's tasty.
So this set is 1,450 for 9 pieces.
Comes with 4 different flavors, and you get 2 drinks.
No, I'm not including drinks.
Doesn't include drinks. The drinks cost extra. Guys, the one thing that I love here in Dotonbori is they've got these massive facades. There's a face right there. There's a sushi there, and then Alex was saying there was that massive crab when you enter the main area of Dotonbori. So it's so vibrant here too. A lot of neon lights, signage, and whatnot. But let's go to our next food stop, which we don't know just yet, but you'll see. Alright, so we're in front of this mitarashi dango stall, and I think there's also a restaurant, but we're gonna try the mitarango, the dumpling with sweet soy sauce. This is our first time trying this. I know it's popular all over Japan, so we're gonna give it a try. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. It's so glazy. Yeah, I was gonna say, it's so shiny, golden.
Yeah.
Glazy. Alright, first bite, or is it gonna be hot?
It seems like it's hot, but I think it's fine. Let's give it a try.
What? Ooh. Squishy. By the looks of it.
It's so soft.
Yeah?
Oh, that sweet soy sauce. It is sweet, but it's not overly sweet where it overpowers the... Is it a rice cake? There's like a rice cake.
Okay.
Oh no, like a mochi.
That's what I was thinking actually, because it's like squishy and it's stretched a little. I was like, is that mochi?
Actually really good.
That's cool.
You should try it.
This is mochi, right?
It tastes like the mochi mix.
It's the texture.
Yeah.
It's like mochi, but maybe it's not. Is this a savory, right? Savory.
It is like savory and sweet.
Yeah, I'm confused. It's too early to have dessert. I actually like it, you guys. It's like savory and sweet. So I'm a little bit confused, but it tastes good for me.
It's like a quick snack if you're kind of on the go, I guess.
Yum. This one, I would say, if you want something light, and like what Alex said, on the go, pick up a, what's it called? I'll voice over it. This portion of the video is sponsored by Snap Wireless. And this right here is a power bank universal. If you're like us, we love to travel. So this would be the perfect power bank for you. You can charge your devices through the ports here, the built-in cables, and even a wireless charging pad.
You can get 5% off your next purchase with our code chenogoes and click the link in the description to find out more about Snap Wireless. Shall we go back to the video? Let's go.
What do you reckon?
The tennis skewers?
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. So we want to try these skewers right here. You can see the sign from above. It's pretty cool, so we want to give it a try.
Okay.
And I'm still a little bit hungry, so I need more food.
For sure. Let's go in. Alright. We're getting a table and we're gonna order soon.
So you can do the set if you want. And then I think you can still pick whatever it is in there.
So we might do individual ones, so that because it's a bit too pricey if you buy the sets. Like how many? Like 10?
10, yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot. Because we still wanna check out other places and eat some more. So we might do something like three or four each, something like that. No, 3 each. And yeah, so we'll show you after we order here.
Is it sure? So we just got our food and we got 6 sticks.
So that's 3 each.
Yep, 3 each.
Or 4 and 2.
We got, these are what we got. We have 2 prawns, 1 crab claw, oyster, pork tenderloin, and quail. So we're gonna try them. And
Yeah.
we got this sweet soy sauce to put on it.
Yeah, you kind of drizzle it over the sticks.
It's a little bit pricey for, I guess, what it is because it's a tiny stick. But I'll try them and see if it's worth the money. Yeah, you can do that.
Hey.
Oh wait, maybe that's not yours.
Oh yeah, this is...
Ah, that's my quail. That's my crab.
Yeah.
That's yours there.
Okay, cool.
Okay, let's try. Cheers.
This one is a pork.
Actually pretty good.
I need more soy sauce.
Pretty fresh.
That's yummy.
I really love this sweet soy. Classic.
I kind of like anything fried, so it's pretty good for me. This one is the oyster. And then, what's yours?
I got quail egg. 'Cause
Yeah.
I've been craving egg right now.
Put more in the front as well. Yeah, there you go. Cheers. Oh, that's
You just said it's really hot. You can see the steam out of it. The oyster?
Bro, this is so good. Yeah, that hurt in the beginning, but yo, this is so good. Alright, what you get us?
Oh my gosh. So I got a custard coin. We just got this 10 yen piece coin.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, but
didn't
there's
even notice.
custard inside.
Yeah.
And you can get cheese, chocolate, matcha, and other flavors.
We've had
And
enough of matcha in Kyoto.
This one is 500 yen, which is a bit expensive.
Yeah, ooh, it's a bit pricey.
But it's massive actually, like
Yeah,
it's a whole face.
go, take a bite.
But it's still hot, I think. Give it a try though.
A little bite.
It's like a waffle
Yeah,
mixture.
that's cool.
I didn't get the custard.
Ooh. Surely
I have to go in the middle. Yummy. Oh, there's some
This is
custard.
our dessert.
Yum. Actually really good. I wanted to try the cheese, but we just got the custard instead.
Go buy one. Go buy the cheese. I'll finish this. Damn. I like the custard. That's a good choice. Well, duh, because I chose it. Okay, you guys, so we found a sushi spot. It's sort of like it's a sushi chain.
Yeah.
Sushi train.
We haven't really had sushi here in Japan
Yeah,
yet,
not this
so
whole trip. So I
this
guess
time we'll have it.
this is our final meal for the night.
A few moments later.
So we got some sushi now, and we have salmon, which I'm so excited. Gonna give it a try. It's so good.
So I'm about to have like the full raw salmon,
Sashimi,
right?
yeah.
Sashimi. Sorry, I'm new to this. Okay, so you dip it in.
Yep.
How about I bring it up? Is that good enough?
Yep.
3 hours later.
Really strong, hey?
No,
It's good?
it's good.
Fresh?
Fresh, not a weird strong taste or anything.
Pretty good.
Kind of jelly, but yeah, it's so yummy. It's only just this trip that I've learned how to use the chopsticks. I'm still a rookie. Okay, there you go.
Good?
She doesn't know how to use the chopstick, guys. I actually just had that.
Oh, you did?
That was so yummy. I think because of the sauce
The
as well,
sauce,
huh?
yeah.
Yeah, it's so good.
Oh my gosh. I think it's called a fish roll.
Yeah? The texture weird.
I know what it tastes like. Wait, 2 hours later.
3 hours later.
It tastes like fish oil. If you've ever taken fish oil vitamins, it tastes like it.
That's interesting. You
It's
can
good
have
though.
the rest.
It's really fresh though. It's good to try it.
I'll try it. Yeah.
Fish oil? You don't like it? Pretty good.
Tastes good, but the fish oil part.
Alright, so we just finished with the sushi and I'm actually pretty full now.
Yeah, now I'm good.
But I just want to let you know they are a little bit pricey once they add up. We paid about 3,600 yen for like 6 plates.
Yeah, so like almost $40
Yep.
Australian dollars.
So obviously
That's kind of weird. I didn't know it was that
it
much.
is a little bit much. So
Yeah.
it was really good. It was really fresh. But obviously the
Yeah.
plates have different pricing on
Yeah,
them.
I would say it did taste really nice.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed like pretty much everything except for the fish
It was
oil
so
one.
fresh.
Yeah.
But I'm so glad we got to try the sushi this
Yeah,
time.
that's right. I wish we could stay for longer here in Dotonbori because there's so much to see, so much to eat.
Yeah.
But we have to catch our train back home soon to our Kyoto.
Hit that like button if you enjoyed our video, as it helps out tiny channels like ours.
And make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on more videos coming from this Japan trip. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next vlog.
Bye!
Bye!